Hi, welcome to our channel Shah Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to highlight weekend in the list of dates. This is the second tutorial, and in this tutorial, we will learn it with the help of weekday function. So without delay, let's start. So here is a database. First, we will understand how weekday function works. Equal to weekday. First, it is asking for serial number, that is date serial. So this is the date, comma. Now return type. Return type is, you can see there are various options 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. If your week starts from Sunday and ends at Saturday, then you will select 1. If your week start with Monday and ends on Sunday, you can select 2. But for our work, 2 is best fit because 6 and 7, these two are highest largest number, and we have to highlight these 2 days mainly. So we will select 2 as return type and then bracket close, enter. Here we got the number 4. Now drag it till the end. We can see here Thursday as 4, Friday as 5, Saturday as 6, Sunday as 7, and Monday as 1, and so on. So we have to highlight Saturday and Sunday. That means the number that are greater than 5 will be highlighted. So equal to weekday, then select the date, comma, return type 2, bracket close, greater than 5, press enter. We got false because this serial date is 4. So it is not greater than 5, so it is giving false. If I drag till the end, we can see only 6 and 7 is giving true result and rest are giving false. So this formula can be used to highlight these cells. So copy this formula, then select the dates, go to conditional formatting and new rule, then select this option, use a formula to determine which cell to format, then click here and paste the function, then format, fill color as red. If you want border, you can give border, then OK, again OK. You can see the days with Saturday and Sunday are highlighted automatically. And if you want the total row to be highlighted, then just increase the area from the conditional formatting. Here, this is the applies to area. So here, select the total range, then click apply. You can see the total row is highlighted now. In this way, if you have any calendar, you can use this. So you can see here, Sunday is highlighted. If you want to highlight only Sunday, you can highlight only Sunday. If you want to highlight Saturday and Sunday, you can also do that. How you can do that, I'm showing you. And if you change the month, the dates are dynamic, so it will automatically change the column format. See, these are automatically changing. But it is fixed that Sunday is highlighted. So now let's delete this conditional formatting. Now in this helper row, I will put the formula to return the weekday value. So equal to weekday, serial number is this one, press F4 and log the row number, bracket close and return type to bracket close, enter. So this is 2 and drag the total month and we got the weekday number. Now according to this number we can highlight these columns. Suppose we want only Sunday to be highlighted. So Sunday is 7. So select the database, go to conditional formatting and select new rule. Select this option and here type equal to this cell and make it mixed cell reference greater than 6, or you can write equal to 7 no matter. Then format, fill color red, border color white and give it a border. Okay. You can see only Sunday is highlighted. If you change the month, suppose we go to January, the columns are changing but it is highlighting the Sunday only. If you want to highlight Saturday and Sunday, then go to conditional formatting, manage rules, select this condition and click edit. Here you have to type greater than 5. That means greater than 5 is 6 and 7 is greater than 5. So these two columns will be highlighted. Press OK, apply. Okay, now you can see Saturday and Sunday is highlighted. If you change the month, you can see the columns are automatically changing and Saturday and Sunday is highlighted. So in this way, you can highlight the Saturday and Sunday. If you want to highlight Friday as your weekend, then again go to conditional formatting, manage rule, then select this one and edit rule. Then you type equal to, our Friday is 5. So equal to 5, format it as green color. Okay, apply. Okay, we can see that Friday is highlighted with green color. If you change the month, the columns are changing but still Friday is highlighted. So in this way you can highlight the days of a month or a date of a month with the help of weekday function. So we have done this with the help of a helper row. If we don't want to use this helper row, then delete this and we will use without the help of helper row. For that, first we need to check the formula. Equal to weekday, select this serial number, then press F4 to lock the row, comma, serial number 2, bracket close, greater than 5. Then press enter, drag it to the end and make the font smaller. So we get here false, 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 true, true. These two are true. You can see here greater than 5 means 6 and 7, Saturday and Sunday. So we can use this formula. Select this formula, copy, then go to manage rule, delete this one, click new rule, select this option and paste the formula here. Then format, fill color red, border with white color. Okay, and apply OK. We can see that not got the formatting because we have not selected the range. So again go to manage rule, delete this one and select the range, then apply and OK. We can see now without the helper row, we got the formatting for Saturday and Sunday. If we change the month, it will also change automatically. So these are the ways to change the formatting of Saturday and Sunday with the help of weekday functions. Thanks for watching the video till end. In the next tutorial, we will show you how to highlight the weekend with the help of weekend names. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.